TEBAKARIIRU. The grammar of TEBAKARIIRU is mean that only or nothing but something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of TEBAKARIIRU, that means you can use the verb only. But when you use the verb, you should change the verb to be the dead form. You cannot use in dictionary form, in mass form. You cannot. You can use it only with the dead form. That means you should change the verb to the dead form. For example, taberu should change to be tabete, right? Tabete, and after that followed by bakariiru. And it has the meaning that only or do or nothing but or something. For example, you can say tabete bakariiru, right? This means do nothing but eat only, something like this. So let's go to see example together to make more understand. The first example, この猫は寝てばかりいます。この猫は寝てばかりいます。Which means that this cat does nothing but sleep. This cat does nothing but sleep. In the sentence we see that they say they use the grammar with the verb 寝る. But when you use with the grammar ばかりいる, then you should change to be the dead form. So you can say 寝てばかりいます. Right? But ばかりいる or います it just had the same meaning. いる is mean the dictionary form, but います is the mass form. So you can say ばかりいます or ばかりいる just had the same meaning. So don't be confused. この猫は寝てばかりいます That means this cat does nothing but sleep only. Right? Next example. あの子が泣いてばかりいる。あの子が泣いてばかりいる。Which means that child does nothing but cry. Which means cry only does nothing. That child does nothing but cry. In this sentence, they use the grammar でばかりいる with the verb 泣く, right? 泣く is mean cry. Mass for 泣きます. But therefore, you should change to be like 泣いて, right? 泣いてばかりいる. Or you can say 泣いてばかりいます. In the polite form, right? In the polite form, it means 泣いてばかりいます. But in the dictionary form, 泣いてばかりいる. Right? That means that child does nothing but cry only. So when you use with the てばかりいる or てばかりいます, you should use with something that do only one thing. For example, eat only, or sleeping only, or driving only, or talking only, something like this. Next example. 甘いものを食べてばかりいると太りますよ。甘いものを食べてばかりいると太りますよ。Which means that if you keep only eating sweets, you are going to gain weight. If you keep only eating sweets, you are going to gain weight. In this sentence, they say they use the grammar でばかり with the verb 食べる。食べる or 食べます is mean that eat. So we change the therefore you can say 食べてばかりいる. This means you eat only, right? So 甘いもの is mean sweet thing, right? Sweet thing. For example, cake or candy, right? Something like this. 甘いものを食べてばかりいると which means if you keep only eating sweets, right? 太りますよ You are going to gain weight. So you get more weight, you get more not that good for your health. Right? The next example テレビを見てばかりいると目が悪くなりますよ。テレビを見てばかりいると目が悪くなりますよ。Which means that if you keep watching TV all the time, your eyes are going to be bad. If you keep watching TV all the time, your eyes are going to be bad. In this case, we see that it use the grammar でばかりいる with the verb 見る or 見ます which means look or watch. So change to be the day form can say 見て right after the follow by ばかりいる can say 見てばかりいると何を見るですか What do you watch? This means テレビを見ているばかりと This means if you keep watching TV only, right, or all the time, right, every time, in the morning, evening, in the afternoon, right, so it's not good for your eyes. So they can say 目が悪くなりますよ which means your eyes are going to be bad. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。